Hi, this is Daniel from Lamps Plus. We're often asked, what's the best LED bulb for my lamp or fixture? Well, the answer is quite simple. If you have an old bulb that you want to replace, just find an LED version with the same bulb base. This LED uses only 4 watts but has a 450 lumen output, making it an ideal replacement for this old 40-watt incandescent bulb. In fact, LEDs use so little energy that you can easily trade up to a higher wattage bulb if you want more light. Just make sure your new LED bulb is under the maximum wattage of your fixture or lamp. LEDs are decorative too. New LED filament bulbs reproduce the look of old-fashioned Edison bulbs. For dimmers, know that an LED bulb will work with a dimmer switch, but only if the packaging explicitly says so, and only if the dimmer is LED compatible. Older dimmers will not work with LED bulbs. So, what bulbs should you start with? Well, since LEDs last for years, they're a great choice for hard-to-reach fixtures like ceiling lights, entryway chandeliers, or outdoor lights. Any light or fixture that's in constant use is also a great choice for LED replacement. Desk lamps, office lighting, and kitchen lights all come to mind. If you have any questions about LEDs, we are here to help. Thanks for watching.